Nagsorry si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dahil raw sa dumaraming Pilipinong nagdurusa sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon ng bansa. Pero git ni PBBM, kailangan talaga natin itong pagdaanan bago tuluyang maalis ang korupsyon na ani ay kanser sa ating lipunan. Narito ang Express Report ni Maricel Halili.
Aminado si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, mahirap ang pinagdaraanan ng bansa ngayon. Pero hindi raw pwedeng hayaan na lang ang talamak na korupsyon na mistulang cancer ng lipunan.
And when you have to excise a cancer out of such a complicated system, you need to do some very major surgery. And to do that, and when you do that, you will bleed. And that is what we had to go through. We had to go through that.
Sa fellowship sa Malacanang kagabi, sinabi ng Pangulo na nakakalungkot na ang taong bayan ang nahihirapan dahil sa mga nangyayari ngayon.
I'm sorry that the people suffered because of it, but it had to be done. Otherwise, we would do things the same way that we have always done, that the things that we have discovered that have been being done for the last 3 decades will just continue.
Pagtitiyak ng Pangulo, malinaw sa administrasyon kung ano ang kailangan nilang gawin.
So it's not as if we are lost and we do not know what we are going to do. We know what we are going to do. We know what we are doing. And we will continue this campaign against corruption. We will continue our campaign on this abuse and this entitlement that has shocked everyone, myself included.
Pero isa raw sa pinakamabigat na hamon sa panahong ito na mainit ang usapin sa korupsyon ay ang mabilis na pagkalat ng fake news. Maging ang lehitimong pahayag daw kasi ng media, pilit sinasapawan ng mga ito.
Fake news has taken too much of the space. In the beginning, we thought it was funny, it was entertaining, but now it's become damaging. And that is something that we have to be concerned about.
Sa kabila nito, tiwala raw ang Pangulo na matatapos din ang usapin sa korupsyon.
But we're Filipinos. We may be bleeding now, but we will also heal very, very quickly.